LLM Whisperer is Unstract's high-precision text extractor, transforming raw documents into LLM-ready input. Since LLMs interpret documents much like humans do, LLM Whisperer first extracts the raw text while preserving the original layout of the input document, and then passes this context on to the LLM. LLM Whisperer supports a wide range of document types, including PDFs, images, Excel sheets, and scanned files. Let's take a look at some sample extractions. This is a credit card statement, a digital native document with clean, structured formatting on the left. On the right, you see the raw text extracted with precise layout preservation, capturing even the smallest details. This ensures that when sent to an LLM for data extraction, the full contextual understanding of the document is retained. Up next is a poorly scanned restaurant receipt, captured on a smartphone under bad lighting, with an oil stain further degrading the quality. On the right, you can see the extracted raw text, despite the document's challenging condition. And finally, in this demo, we have a handwritten loan application form. It includes a mix of text fields and checkboxes, elements commonly seen across business documents. On the second page, there's a poorly scanned and disoriented ID card attached. Now, if you compare this with the raw extracted text on the right, you'll see how LLM Whisperer handles it effortlessly. Handwritten inputs are accurately captured, checkboxes are correctly identified, and even the skewed ID card is extracted with layout intact. These are just a few examples of the wide range of document types and layouts LLM Whisperer can handle with precision. You can also access LLM Whisperer via API for seamless integration. Here's an insurance report we will extract using the LLM Whisperer API. Here on Postman, we've set up a post request to upload the report. Over here, you can configure a range of pre-processing parameters, such as Gaussian blur radius, median filter size, whether to extract table lines like rows and columns, and even set up webhook callbacks for asynchronous processing. Next, we send a GET request to check the status of the extraction. Finally, we send another GET request to retrieve the processed output. The response contains the extracted text in a layout-preserved format, structured and ready for downstream use with LLMs. LLM Whisperer also supports line metadata extraction, which you can access using a dedicated API endpoint. The extracted line metadata can power downstream operations, like source document highlighting. Access the complete LLM Whisperer API guide, including parameters and usage examples, in the detailed documentation on our website. Sign up for the LLM Whisperer Playground to explore the tool hands-on.